One day this happened. Splash! I'm back! Crunk! No, Dogman! No, stop! Get off! Bad doggy. Bad Dogman. Why do you always have to do that?
Oh, I read that one at school.
Who chewed up all my dirty tissues? And who ate my slippers? And who peed on my floor? Everybody in my office now! Alright, which one of you chewed up my tissues and ate my slippers and peed on my floor? Just as I suspected. Everybody out except Dogman. You are in big trouble. Psst. Hey, Chef, the mayor's here. Uh-oh. Send her right in. Howdy, Mater. Don't howdy me. Have you seen today's news? Swipe. You wait. You are in big trouble, Chef. You better sign it up, or you will replace with a robot. Slam. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Suddenly, Dogman's super ears heard something. He rushed to the window. Soon, my evil plan will become reality. Ha ha ha! Dogman followed Major to Strange Factory. I peeked through a window and recorded him on his phone. So, Scrum, how did our evil robot coming along? Pretty good. Awesome. Soon I shall take over the city. My evil plan will begin in 33 seconds. Cool. 33 seconds later. PD, you got a package. Give it to me. What's this? Awesome. Now I'm completely invisible. Oh, guard. Yeah? Uh-oh. PD's gone. Sorry, I can't do any of these.